Hello, seventh graders. Welcome back from your spring break. We are quickly approaching quarter 4 and warmer weather and all things spring. What I want for the secret code for this week, I want you to tell me what you did over spring break. Whether that was nothing, whether you ended up traveling, whatever you ended up actually doing over spring break, just go ahead and tell me that. Maybe you watched a really good show on Netflix. Maybe you went for a lot of walks. Whatever you did, just tell me what you did for spring break. And that's the secret code for this week. We are continuing with our calendar activities. A reminder that for my students who come in the building, Monday, Tuesday, you're in the building on Monday this week. My Thursday, Friday, you're in the building on Tuesday this week. You have school for distance learning on Wednesday, and then this Thursday and Friday, you have no school. So the goal is that you can get this weekly activity done before you have your days off on Thursday and Friday. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye.